Let us talk about a beautiful landscape, a soothing landscape in tropical humid climate of Odisha. So I'm talking about a national park called Simli Pal National Park, which has been declared recently as a national park, becoming the 107th national park of India. Earlier, this ecological landscape was a tiger reserve, also a biosphere reserve. Also, it was part of UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserve. And this ecological landscape has recently been declared as the national park. If you look at this national park geographically, it is part of the state of Odisha, but geographically it is part of the northeastern part of peninsular India. Basically, it lies in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region, which is characterized by undulating hills, deep valleys, dense forest, which makes this landscape a beautiful, soothing landscape. And the climatic conditions over here are tropical humid. The area receives huge rainfall of around 200 on an average on annual basis, 200 centimeter. And the important river which flows through this national park is called Budh Balanga River. This river has two important waterfalls. One is Barapanehi waterfall and Joranda waterfall. These two waterfalls are the important tourist locations in the national park. And then the soil conditions, if you look at, the soil is mostly the red loamy soil because of the huge rainfall that the area experiences. And if you look at the wildlife and the biodiversity in this area, it is rich in flora and fauna. Large varieties of flora is found here. The important tree species is sal tree, then simul tree species is found here. This is the simul tree species after which the national park has been named as Simlipal. And the vegetation overall could be characterized as moist deciduous forest that is seen in this area. And with respect to wildlife, the flagship wildlife would be Royal Bengal tiger, then elephants in large numbers, and several other types of reptiles and birds are found in this national park. Thank you.